Hello everybody, it's Techno here, and today I'm going to show you every single method of finding the leftovers in Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. You can start off by flying to the northern side of the Pokemon League, and from the Pokemon League building itself, make your way down, surf down the waterfall into the exit of the Victory Road. Once inside, cross the large wooden bridge and you'll find yourself at a place where you can rock climb down, and then you could squeeze between two mountains over here to circle around this elderly guy over here. Cross this short wooden bridge and you'll find a door that is either blocked or not blocked. You won't be able to go through this room if you don't have the National Pokedex. Once you do have the National Pokedex, you can cross inside and go straight ahead. You'll find yourself in a third and final room with a dense, deep fog, which you can clear thanks to the help of the Pokétch. From there, go straight ahead and surf across this pond. You'll find yourself at the leftovers here. If it's not there on the ground, though, that means you've already picked it up. But luckily for you, there is still another way. I recommend flying over to Snowpoint City. And from the Pokemon Center here in Snowpoint City, go ahead and open up your bag and rev up that Explorer Kit to visit the Sinnoh Grand Underground. Once you drop inside, you can go ahead and open up your map because you're going to a very specific room. The very specific room is located here, so do whatever it takes to get over there. And once you get over there, you'll find yourself inside the Glacial Cavern. You can enter and go directly to the left. You'll find a body of water that you can surf across, and you'll find the leftovers over here. Now, if it is also not there, that means you've also picked that up. Wow, you're quite the explorer. Luckily for you, there is still one final method, and you can get by doing pretty much the same thing. We're going to start off by flying to Snowpoint City, and from the Pokemon Center here, we're going to open up our bag and rev up the Explorer Kit to visit the Sinnoh Grand Underground. Does that sound familiar? It should, because it's pretty similar. This time we're going to a different room though, so go ahead and open up your map, and this time we're going to one of these two rooms over here. Doesn't matter which one, because what you're doing is looking for a specific Pokemon, the Pokemon Munchlax. So go inside, and if you don't see Munchlax, what you want to do is continue going in and out of the doors to reset these spawns, and eventually you should be able to find it. Now, you can increase your chances of finding Munchlax by putting normal type statues in your secret base. However, it's just a recommendation. It's not necessary. Eventually, you'll find Munchlax. He looks like this. Luckily for you, Munchlax has a 100% chance of holding a leftovers. It's not very common for a Pokemon to have a 100% chance of holding an item. Once you find that leftovers, you can either catch the Munchlax or trick the item onto your Pokemon or thieve it, whatever, if you're familiar with wild item setup, and then just take it off of it from the park. So that's every single method of finding the leftovers in Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, Techno's out.